Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to fix Windows 11 NSIS error launching installer. So guys, if you are facing this problem, once you try to launch any installer, so two methods you can try. First one, you have to change set of file name like click on right click and rename. Now try to install this software. And if this method not work, so copy this set of file. Now on desktop, create a new folder. Now paste here that file, this set of file. Now try to install. So this is the two basic method you can try to resolve this problem. Thanks for watching, and please comment this method work for you or not.